Everyone says YouTube automation is dead, that the market is saturated, and that AI makes it impossible to stand out. They're wrong. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage AI to not just compete, but dominate, proving that the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. And I'm going to share the exact prompts I use to generate high click-through rate thumbnails using ChatGPT, a three-step process that most people have no idea exists. But I'll get to that shortly. Step 1. Finding the right niche and the outlier videos inside it. This is where most beginners fail, and it's the one step AI doesn't fully replace yet, but it makes dramatically faster. The tool I use for this is Outlier, which I built specifically for YouTube automation research. You start with a niche generator, which gives you niche options with estimated RPM per thousand views attached. So before you commit to anything, you already know the income potential of that niche. Then, Outlier Discovery finds the small channels in that niche that are massively outperforming their subscriber count. A channel with 3,000 subscribers that pulled 700,000 views on one video. That gap is the algorithm signal. That's proof the demand is real, and that's your blueprint for what to make. Don't skip this step. The entire rest of the process only works if the niche has real outlier evidence behind it. Step 2. The script. And there are two ways to do this well. The first is Claude, specifically Claude Pro. The Pro version gives you noticeably better responses for long-form content, and it handles YouTube script structure really well. The key is giving it context. Find example scripts from channels in your niche that are performing well and paste them in as reference before you ask it to write yours. The output when you do that versus when you don't is completely different. The second option is Outlier's script writer, which starts from the outlier research you've already done rather than a blank page. The hooks it generates are built from what's already working in your niche, which means the script is data-backed from the first sentence. If you want the fastest path from outlier video to finished script, that's it. Step 3. For the voiceover, always use 11 Labs. This one is simple. It's the best AI voice software available right now, and it's not close. The quality has reached the point where most viewers genuinely cannot tell the difference from a real human voice. One subscription covers every channel you run, and the cost per video is almost nothing compared to hiring a voiceover artist. Set it up once, and it handles every video from there. Step 4. The thumbnail. And here are the exact prompts I use inside ChatGPT. This is the process most people have no idea exists. First, find a thumbnail you like from a proven video or an outlier video in your niche. Screenshot it. Open ChatGPT and paste the screenshot in with this prompt. Break down and understand this thumbnail style in extreme detail. Let it analyze the composition, the colors, the text placement, the emotion, everything. Second prompt. My topic is, give me 3 thumbnail ideas based on and copying the style above. It will give you 3 concept directions built directly on the style of the thumbnail that's already working in your niche. Third prompt. Give me the image text prompt for each thumbnail. This converts the concept into a generation-ready prompt. Then open a new ChatGPT chat, click Create Image, change the format from auto to widescreen 16:9, and paste the prompt. Your thumbnail gets generated in the exact dimensions YouTube needs, styled after a proven performer in your niche. Grok works for this too if you prefer it. The process is the same. The key is always starting from a proven thumbnail, not from your own taste. Step 5. Video editing. And this is the one step I still outsource to a real person. AI video editing has improved, but it hasn't gotten to the point where it consistently produces the kind of edit quality that makes a channel stand out. And the tools that come close are expensive enough that a freelancer is still the better option. You can find solid editors on Fiverr or Upwork for around $40 a video. That investment pays for itself immediately in watch time and in how professional the channel looks compared to the automation channels using templated AI edits. And since you watched this far, the fastest way to get your first YouTube automation channel off the ground is this. Don't start with the script. Don't start with the voiceover. Start with one outlier video in your niche. Find a few channels under 20,000 subscribers with videos that massively outperform their average. Study the title, Study the thumbnail, understand why it worked. Build everything else from that one video. Your niche, your title, your thumbnail concept, your script angle, all of it comes from that one piece of proof. That single starting point changes the quality of every decision that follows. If you want to find outlier videos easily in your niche and 100 times your view count, check out Outlier in the description below. That's where the research starts.